everyone! So this is my small Walgreens haul for this week, June 20 to June 26 of 2021 Walgreens deal. So I did 3 transactions in my haul. So in the first transaction, I used my husband's card, in which my starting balance for that is 70 cents. We only have 70 cents on that card. And then in the second and third transactions, I use my card. So my starting Walgreens cash reward on that card is $8.05. So even though my haul is small, I only bought some items in the store, I'm happy because I got this for free. And I'm not able to buy a Purex because it's completely out of stock in the store. So hoping that the rebate in Ibotta will reset before the end of the week and I can still do that deal. So in the first transaction, I combine my spend 35 and get $8 Walgreens cash reward paper booster with a spend 20 and get $5 Walgreens cash reward digital booster. So the first item that I bought is the Dove body wash. So the Dove body wash is spend 20 and you will get $5 Walgreens cash reward. And there is $6 off to Dove body wash digital coupon. And it attached also to the Dove men body wash. And I'm able to print a $2 off Dove products in Dove website. So once you sign up in their website, they will send you an email. So every month they send an email and you can scroll down and click the savings coupon. So you can print 2. After you print 1, what you're gonna do is close the tab and then open again the email and print it again. So this is my spur coupon. I already used one. And then I pick up the Deep Moisture and also the Dove Sensitive Skin. And it's priced in store for $7.49. So it's buy one get one 50% off, and the 50% off is $3.74. The 4 Dove are $22.46. I used the 6 of 2 Dove digital coupon. And then the $2 off 2 Dove printable coupon from Dove website. So I paid $14.46 for 4 Dove. Then I got $5 Walgreens cash reward, making it $9.46 for 4 or $2.36 each. Then I got 224 points in fetch. So next is the free toothpaste. So the Colgate Optic White is priced for $2.99. And when you buy 2, you will get $3 Walgreens cash reward. So I bought 2 Colgate Optic White. And this is my note for the Colgate. So the 2 Colgate Optic White are $5.98. I used the $3 off 2 Colgate digital coupon. I paid $2.98. I got $3 Walgreens cash reward, making it free toothpaste. And in CVS, we got free toothpaste also, Crest and Colgate toothpaste. We love free items. And then the Blink contact, this is the dry contacts, and the expiration is, you can see the expiration of this. It's priced for $8.49 and there is $4 IVC coupon for Blink. There is digital and also in their booklet. So this is the $4 off in the Walgreens booklet. So I use this one, and the other one is for Blink Clear Eye Drop. So the Blink is $8.49 and the two are $16.98. So after deducting the IVC coupon, so it's times 2, $4 times 2. So total are $8. My amount draft to $8.98. Because the IVC serve as a store coupon. And then I used 2 of the $3 of any Blink contacts. So you can use this also for Blink and Clean drops. So I used 2 of this, combine it with the IVC. So after deducting the IVC and the manufacturing coupon, I only paid $2.98 for 2 eye drops. So this is my receipt in my first transaction. So the Dove is buy one get one 50% off. The Colgate is $2.99 and here is the Blink eye drop. So the two are $16.98 less the IVC. Serve as a store coupon. And then my paper booster came out. All the digital coupon and paper coupon came out. So I paid $20.42. With tax is $21.29. Then I got $21.37 in total. I got 5 in Dove. I got 3 in Colgate. I got $8 walk-in cash reward in the spend $35 and get $8 walk-in cash reward, and then $5 walk-in cash reward in the spend 20 and get $5 digital booster. So it's free even I add the tax. Because here I got in total $21.37 and I did not use any registered rewards. So that is an awesome deal. And then in my other card, I used the $4 store coupon that I got in the Chris and Oral-B deal last week. So the Palmolive dish liquid is buy 2 and you will get $2 walk-in cash reward, and it's on sale for $2.49, and there is 50 cents digital coupon that attached in the Palmolive 591 ml. So I bought 2 Palmolive Oxy. And this is my receipt. So it's the store coupon the cashier manually put in because he's having a hard time to scan it. And then the 50 cents digital coupon came out. I only paid 75 cents after deducting it to the store coupon and to the digital coupon. And then I got my $2 walk-in cash reward and then 4 cents for everyday points. So here, my closing balance now is $10.09. And in my last transaction, and I'm so happy because I got it for free. The Dove. So the Dove is spend 20 and get $5 walk-in cash reward, but I only bought 2 Dove so that I can use my store coupon also and not paying a lot of money out of pocket in the Dove. So I bought the Dove mango butter and almond butter. And it smells so good. So it's buy one get one 50% off. So the other one is $7.49 and then the other one is $3.74. And then I bought also this Little Dawn dish liquid for 99 cents. And then the Colgate, so it's buy 2 and get $3 walk-in cash reward, and I use my $3 off 2 digital coupon. So I paid $2.98 and then I got $3 walk-in cash reward, making it free. So in my receipt, here is the Colgate and the Dove and the Dawn. I used the $4 off store coupon that I got from the Oral-B. And then my $6 off 2 Dove digital coupon came out. And my $3 Colgate digital coupon came out. So my total here is $5.41, including the tax. And then I redeemed $5 Walgreens cash reward. My final out of pocket is 41 cents. And then I got my $3 Walgreens cash reward from the Colgate, and then 9 cents from the everyday points. So my closing balance is back to $8.18, in which my opening balance is $8.05. So this haul is small, but it's almost free. I only paid $1.13 out of pocket after all the Walgreens cash reward that I got from all the transaction. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.